I would like to introduce to you our home delivery service, which is called the Cliff in a Box. If you ever wanted to cook restaurant quality food in your own home, then we have just made it extremely easy for you. We will source and prepare quality ingredients and then provide easy step-by-step instructions to put success on a plate. We have made it so easy that even if you struggle with boiling an egg, we'll help to make you a star. Now let's head to the kitchen. Okay, let's see what's in the box today. Okay, so we have puff pastry bases, some basil, black olives, smoked croton, sliced tomatoes, some garden pesto, and olive oil. Okay. So let's open up the tarts. So the puff pastry base has been baked off. So I'm just gonna some garden pesto on the bottom. Take the sliced tomatoes. Then we're just going to fan the tomatoes, the tart mold. Get the salt, pepper again, then we've got the smoked croton, we just place that in the centre. The black olives. Chop some fresh basil. Chiffonade that. Olive oil. Just drizzle it all over. And then we'll bake that in the oven, 180, for around 10 minutes. Okay, so the tart, 175 degrees, about 10 minutes. So you need to take some fresh basil, just tear a little bit. Now I'll take the garden pesto again. A little drizzle. And that's it. Tart tomate with smoked croton and garden pesto.